Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. Welcome back to my channel, Kaputy Inc. My name's Adam. If you're a returning customer, don't forget to subscribe and hit those notification button. That way you can see me doing my most excellent work. Today's agenda, we are going to change front tires on my 1991 2674 quad axle dump truck with 14 liters of fucking America in it. It's 855 big cam 4 Cummins. Front tires here are still technically legal, but not by much. They're pretty bald. They're like the time your friends switched your shampoo with Nair, so and then you wash your crotch and you're balder than when you're 11 years old. Unless you're like my friend Scott, that's Scott with a P, who got his pubic hair when he was about 8 years old. Everybody knows who I'm talking about. These are 4 1/4 floats because we're not pussies. Run 385s. When I bought the truck, it had 385s on it. Got made fun of. 4 1/4s ever since. Happy I've gone that route. You get a little better ride, a little more sidewall, a little more bounce to it or whatever, but and they seem to roll a little easier, so which is nice. We got Dunlops, and we're going to switch them for Dunlops. These are top of the line. I do believe Michelin is considered usually top of the line, but these are good tires. I've had a lot of success. I usually get about 2 years out of a set. You know, we do a lot of tight turning, so you know they wear out quick. But I hear people getting a lot more than 2 years. But I think 2 years is pretty good for me. I like to do the better tires on the front, put the Dunlops American rubber on the front, use Chinese or cheap rubber on the back. I don't like to do caps. Had some bad luck with them. Probably just a one-time deal, but still I just do cheap virgin rubber in the back. Never had a problem with it. So yeah, good ones in the front. Whatever you can get in the back. I like to have it matching. A little OCD that way, but you guys can now watch me lose 9 pounds of fluid sweat and trying to move these. So let's get kicking. Here, those are tire iron. You gotta know how to step on them, or you get hit in the nuts. Yet to happen, but now that I'm on video, I look forward to seeing that one come back to bite me in the ass. Little trick I picked up in Vietnam. You let it fill up pretty good with shop air, even if it goes 120, 130 psi. And then when you take that off, by the time you get the stem in there, you're about where you need to be. You only got to add a little bit of air to it. Killer. All right, these wheels are actually what you call a ball and seat, I do believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. They're a little odd. I know these drums, when I was trying to find them to redo the front brakes, were down to apparently 2 pairs of rotors left, both in Tennessee. Those people got about $1,000. I think it was $1,200 worth of my money by the time we were done shipping. It might even been a little more than that. It was ridiculous. There was talks of having to have them cast, and that would take like 6 weeks to 6 months, which would have resulted in a new front axle, which at the time might have been the better choice, seeing as I ended up needing new kingpins and everything anyways. Probably could have found one of these in the junkyard or whatever for a lot cheaper, and would have had the new style, Hub Pilot or whatever, Hub Pilot or whatever they call it or whatever. Anyways, these are right-hand thread, but on the driver's side, they're actually a left-handed thread. So keep that in mind. If you're a first-timer taking wheels off, it takes you a really long time to get these off when you're trying to go the wrong direction. So, all right, let's get these put on. I do believe this truck at one point was converted to this, because all the other axles, given the tag axles I put on, and they were Dayton style wheels, I actually like that. I think unless I would have had them, those be normal like stud or Hub Pilot wheels or whatever you want to call them. But I like them all being Dayton, I guess, just OCD about it. But yeah, these are probably at one time used to be Dayton wheels too. I think somebody updated them, and they updated it, if you will, to old new technology or whatever. But yeah, if we ever have another problem, we'll probably switch it to a normal axle. And again, if we have a real big problem, it's probably time to get a new truck anyways. You'd like that, wouldn't you, Tony? Alright, had to run over to the brown tire there and pick myself up a new valve stem. Looks to be polished of some sort. I do believe that ups the speed rating of the wheel and tire combination from 68 miles an hour, as advertised, to well over 144. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Come on over here. What did we get done today?
Change tires.
Sure did. Sure did. Do they look good? Did you make sure there's enough air in them? That's good. That's good. All right. So that's going to do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe. Say bye, Andy.
Bye.
All right, let's go.